Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda Accord tail light full guide. Start by opening the trunk and removing the interior access panel to expose the tail light fasteners. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling straight out. Remove the mounting nuts with a 10 mm socket and carefully pull the assembly from the vehicle. Replace the bulb or assembly, reverse the steps, and test the lights for proper operation. With the access panel removed, locate the 3 nuts holding the tail light and use a 10 mm socket to loosen them. Support the assembly with one hand while removing the last nut to prevent dropping it. Carefully pull the tail light straight out, working around clips if present, and rest it on a towel to protect the paint. Inspect the wiring harness and bulb sockets for corrosion or damage before proceeding. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and give it a like to support more practical car tutorials. Quick recommendation. The book The Simple Path to Wealth is a great read that can change how you think about saving and spending, and it's a fun companion while you handle maintenance tasks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Insert the new bulb or align the replacement assembly with the vehicle body, making sure alignment tabs seat correctly. Reconnect the electrical connector securely and test brake, turn, and running lights to confirm functionality. Reinstall the mounting nuts and tighten them evenly with the 10 mm socket, then reattach the trunk access panel and liner. Clean the lens and check for proper sealing to prevent moisture from entering the assembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.